Hello, Ella Rhodes here, and today we are back with another video, and I'm just going to say something quickly. You might notice that the screen's kind of cut off here. You can not really see stuff that's over that way, but that's just because something wonky happened today, and I won't go dig deep into that, but I'm so sorry. My apologies. I was I don't know, I didn't think when I finished that race, and so yeah, I sort of started, rambling on about how I loved all the views, and that's okay, but then I forgot how much time I had left, so I was in mid-sentence when the video ended. So yeah, my apologies, but, yeah, I'll just complete that sentence. So I was saying something around the lines of, I've got 6 subscribers, and once I get to 10 subscribers, I might do something special on Star Stable, or on Minecraft, or on both, and maybe even on Kizzy too. But yeah, that'll be really cool. And today, from what I've seen, this championship doesn't have too many people, but I'm doing another championship for you guys, just in case you wanted to watch. And yeah, so apologies about the whole finishing in mid-sentence, and apologies about how you can only see something, a little part of the screen. And so I'm gonna stop talking by now. I might say something occasionally during the race, but not too much, so bye. I didn't think that I was going to be able to do this championship, because the way the dinner worked out, it just didn't seem like I was gonna have time. Oh no, don't get trenched. I hate it when you have to slow down to a canter, but that's why I go around them. Much better. Oh dang, hay bales. That's like one of the only things that makes me stop. But it never, I don't think that it's ever made me stop on this race. I don't think it's ever made me stop because of those hay bales. There's a different type of hay bale, and that other hay bale always makes me stop. But this one never does. The one that you just saw me go through. Oh no, get along. That's what I say when Wish Brothers slows down. And you might be saying, "Oh, Ella, you said that you can't do any more quests, but there's a quest right there." That's a pony championship quest. I might have mentioned it in the other video, but that's I can't do that championship because I need a pony. Oh great, these are the hay bales that stop me. Okay, no, get along, please, boy. I beg you. Good boy. I try to be calm, but sometimes that doesn't work, and I'm just totally not calm. I'm just like, no, I stopped. But yeah, my mistake there was, usually what I would do is I would go lower than that, but I didn't do that. And what I mean is, it's sort of like the hay bales were falling over here, and usually what I would do is I would go right all the way over here, but I didn't do that. So, I got hit. But yeah, maybe next time I do the Fort Pinta Championship, I'll show you guys that. And geez, a lot of people are falling behind. I guess, because of the car and stuff. And the, hay bales. But yeah, there's only 2 people following me. Oh, yeah, there's 3. But only 3 that I can see on the map without making it big. Oh no, they're falling quite close behind me. Oh, don't worry, Kaya. Don't worry, Ella. Oopsies! No, not letting this happen. No way. Come on, Ella. You can do this. Okay, 1,000. It only took about 1 second for the next person to get in. But seriously, like, I think that that's a star rider. So, like, understand me, please. Yeah, so I'm glad that this happened. We got first. We did make it to first. And there comes the next person. So again, here you can't see the people over here, but yeah. So I'll read this. Sometimes connection speed and light can make the visual representation of the game look different on your computer. It may seem like you're the winner, but in reality, another player may have been faster than you. The Yorvik Racing Association is proud to reward you, has sent your reward via mail. Collect it from any mailboxes in most of the villages or at most of the stables. Come on, let's go, quickly. Oh wait, this is the person who, I need to friend them. I don't know why, but I always try to friend the person who came second. Just because I need more friends in the game. I don't care. Usually I care whether I get in there late, if I'm the first person or not to get in there. But let's just see. Let me write down this. Let's see. Naomi. Meadow. Stream. Let's see if she accepts or not. Meanwhile, I'm going to call for pickup quickly. Oh yeah, it just gave me a notification that she's now my friend. So I think that she is on my friend board, but I'll have to check. And when I say friend board, I do mean my friend list. I don't have a little board that says, you have these friends. Let's see. Anything with the name Naomi. Yeah, Naomi Metastreams. That's good. Okay, let's go check the mailbox and get our prizes. And first is the best, because it is first time. Congratulations, Helen. You're the winner of the championships. Congratulations on getting first place. The Yorvik Racing Association is proud to award you with the attached prize. Don't forget to click to receive your reward. Well done. Wait. Now we need to go into my stable and do my usual thing, but like usual, I am broke currently because I'm still broke because you saw me doing it earlier, and I was broke in the game. So yeah, I have no money to get the treat for the horsey, but that's alright. I have no money to get the treat for the horsey, but that's alright. Okay, that's alright. That was fun to do. Now I'm just gonna pet him, tell him he's a good boy. Oh, whoopsies, that's not what kind of pet I wanted to do. Good boy. Yeah, I did no bath, but you're still really happy. He just deserves that because, you know, it's not really only me who won the race. He won the race too, and it was mostly him who won the race. It wasn't really me. Sweet nose. You can't see it, but his nose looks so nice when he looks back at me. Like, it's so... See, he breathes in really nice. Yeah, he just does a little breathe, and it's really cute. You can see him doing it on the other side. I want him to do it on this side, but it doesn't work. So I always do water, soap, water, and then groom. And I do one, what I do is on one side I'll do water, soap, water, and then on the other side I'll do water, soap, water. Yeah. And then I come to the other one. So I've got to go because we're about to do something special, and I know that somebody's name who isn't supposed to be on camera is probably going to get called out, and I really don't want to record that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I shall see you guys next time. Bye! Goodbye. Wait, sorry, I'm going to go places. Bye! Goodbye. Wait, no, not bye yet. Ugh, you're not supposed to be able to jump. I sort of want to change my horse's stable quickly. Oh, yeah. I think that's next to me. Wait, let me just... Okay, well, I've got to go. Bye. Bye.